Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One, and this video I will be growing corn in a container from seed. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, well, welcome. And if you're returning, what's up? So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to plant 5 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? And I'm also going to pair the corn with cucumber, but I started the cucumbers indoors, so for right now, this video is just going to be about starting the corn, okay? So we in this together. So now I'm going to cover up the dirt and I'm going to water it. So just bear with me for a moment. Also, I labeled the crate so that way I know what it is. So yeah, so I'm giving it a good watering. So yeah, so please stay tuned. I will update weekly on see the progress of this corn, and please subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and have a great day. Thank you so much.